How to fix Telegram application not working on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix Telegram application not working on Android. So if you are also having trouble logging in or using Telegram application and it automatically opens or doesn't updates, it might be because it hasn't been updated on your Play Store. So just first thing, head over to your Play Store and just search in for Telegram application and make sure you have successfully updated the application. As you can see, I've already updated the application. Just click on open from over here, and if you can't access your account or for some reason you are not being able to log into your account, then all you have to do is just head over to your settings on your device. So let me just click on it and scroll all the way down until you see the apps section. So from over here all you have to do is just find the Telegram application just like this. So once I locate the Telegram application, I'll just click on it, and now from here just click on this storage section. So just tap on clear all the cache and clear all the data if you want, and just click on this like this, and your data and cache will be successfully cleared, and you may have to re-log in with your login credentials, and your Telegram application should be working just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.